Hey, Jack. How do you go to school?
Hi, Emma. I take the bus every day. What about you?
I walk to school. It's close to my house.
That's nice. How long does it take?
About 10 minutes. How long does the bus ride take?
It takes 20 minutes, but sometimes it's late.
Do you like taking the bus?
It's okay, but it can be crowded. Do you like walking?
Yes, I enjoy it. I see trees and birds on the way.
Do you walk when it rains?
No, I take my mom's car then. Do you have an umbrella for rainy days?
Yes, I always carry one. Do you ever ride a bike to school?
Sometimes in summer. It's fun. Do you know how to ride a bike?
Yes, but I don't use it often. Do you go to the store by bike?
No, I walk to the store. What about you?
I usually drive with my dad.
Does your dad take you to school sometimes?
Yes, but only when I miss the bus. Do you miss walking when you ride in the car?
A little, but it's faster. How do you go to the park?
I walk or ride my bike. Do you visit the park often?
Yes, on weekends. How do you travel to the city center?
I take the train. Have you ever taken a train?
Yes, I like trains. They are so big and fast.
Do you take a taxi sometimes?
Not often. They are expensive. Do you use taxis?
Only at night. Do you like riding in a car?
It's okay, but I prefer walking. Do you have a car at home?
Yes, my dad has one. Do you have a car?
My parents have a car, but they don't use it much. Do you ever take a boat?
No, but I want to try. Have you taken a boat?
Yes, I took a boat once. We were on a lake. It was so beautiful.
Amazing. Were you scared when the boat moved?
No, it was very fun. But the waves made it shake a little. Have you ever traveled by plane?
No, I've never flown. But I really want to one day. What about you?
Yes, I traveled by plane once. It was so exciting.
Is the plane very fast?
Yes, it's really fast. But being above the clouds is so beautiful.
Did you sit by the window on the plane?
Yes, the view was amazing. Would you prefer to sit by the window or the aisle on a plane?
The window. I would love to look at the sky. Do you sit by the window on the bus?
Usually, yes. I like watching the scenery. Do you read books on the bus?
Sometimes. But I feel a little dizzy when I read. Do you listen to music while walking?
Yes, I always do. Especially fast songs. Do you listen to music when you travel?
Yes, it's very relaxing on the bus. What's your favorite type of music?
Pop music. Do you watch movies while traveling?
On long trips, yes. But my phone's battery runs out quickly. Do you always carry a power bank with you?
Yes, I always do. Do you like long trips?
Sometimes. But long car rides can be boring. What about you?
I get bored too. But seeing new places is nice.
Yes, you're right. Shall we take a long train journey together one day?
That's a great idea. Where would you like to go?
To a seaside town. I would love to walk by the sea.
Then let's plan it one day. A train trip would be so fun.
Definitely. We could have a great conversation during the trip.
Yes, we could watch the scenery and talk. I think trains are very comfortable.
I agree. I hope we can take such a trip one day.
Me too. Shall we go for a walk now?
Yes, let's get some fresh air.